Guys, happy bliss Friday morning sa lahat dyan. Shout out sa lahat ng followers ko. Shout out sa inyo. Ayan, andito ako naglalakad. Papunta ako sa Ruwi. Magsisimba ako. Magsisimba taas, magsimba, uwi na ng bahay. Magsisimba lang ako. Nagtipid ako sa pamasahe. So nilakad ko galing bahay hanggang dito sa may kanto. Dito ako abang ng taxi. Dito ako abang ng taxi. Sana may makuha kaagad ako ng taxi. Kasi pag dito nag-abang 500 ba isa lang. Pero pag pick up ako doon sa bahay, 2.5 ang pamasahe. So wala akong 2.5. Tipid-tipid. Kasi may dalawang anak akong umaasa sa akin. Tipid. Ayun. Tipid ako na. Maraming nakadaan na mga sasakyan. Pinapasakay ako pero ayaw ko. Pinapasakay nila ako pero ayaw ko. Kasi doon sa amin, dito sa amin, bundok. Diyos ko po, bundok. Minsan lang dumating ang taxi dito. Saka wala talagang taxing pumapasok dito sa may place namin. As in talagang wala. So talagang sacrifice. Pag gustong mag day off, talagang tiis. Pag gusto mong magtipid, talagang kailangan mong lumakad galing doon sa may bahay. Medyo may distansya, malayo din, pero tiis-tiis lang. Kasi mahirap na pag taxi ng taxi. Ayan. Malapit na ako sa highway. Ayan, ay basurahan pa dito. Malapit na ako sa highway, guys. Lapit na. Antakin mo ba nilakad ko mag-isa lang? Okay lang ako mag-day off na mag-isa. Mas okay pa yung mag-day off na mag-isa. Kasi pag mag-isa ka, wala kang iisipin na ay si ano pupunta doon, kailangan kong sumama. Hindi. So ako kasi pag nag-day off ako, punta lang ako sa church, tapos after church uuwi na ako sa bahay. Mag-church lang ako. Tapos uuwi na ako mamaya after church. Ano pa yan? Ay, sana may taxi. Ay, ito, timing. Hi, brother. Ruwi Church? I go in, okay. How much, brother?
Maybe 10 riyal for you.
Huh?
10 riyal for you.
Ay, too much expensive. I don't have money. Too much you asking money.
1.5, okay?
1.5 too much. Only 1 riyal.
So for me, Habibi, for me.
Ruwi Church, brother.
Okay.
Yan, timing guys na ano. Nakahuli ka agad ako ng taxi. So hot.
How are you? Good?
Yeah, good, brother.
Why all lady Filipino beautiful? Why?
Filipina beautiful?
Yeah, why?
Yeah. We are all beautiful. Even inside and outside.
Exactly.
Inside, heart, good.
Yeah.
Outside, beautiful. Right?
Right.
Wow.
MashaAllah, you're beautiful.
Me?
Yeah.
Why do you think I'm not beautiful?
You're beautiful. You're beautiful.
Oh my God. good, not bad.
How Madam good or not good?
Madam,
Yeah.
she's very, 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 very good. Especially my boss.
Exactly.
He's very, very, very good.
Money?
Yeah, money.
You want coffee? You want water?
No, no,
It's
sir.
okay, free
It's-
today for you.
Oh, no. Thank you. Can you drop me back from this side?
Inside?
Yeah, that side.
You want here or there?
Anywhere. Anywhere. Another side or this side. But it's better for me this side. Oh, I have traffic now.
All people you go church, you know.
Yeah. Still hot in Oman. Yeah.
Yeah. Inshallah, 1 week, 2 weeks.
Yeah, inshallah.
okay stop there?
Oh, it's okay. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
ما في مشكلة يعني؟
ما في مشكلة.
هم الترافيك you know?
Yeah.
All people Hindi come in church.
No Hindi sa?
Yeah, see? People Hindi are
A lot of car now because India time.
yeah.
India time. So,
It's okay, you know?
yeah, it's okay, brother.
Sure?
Yeah, sure. Just wait, I will take money. Brother, thank you.
In Riyal only?
Yes, brother, that's enough.
Take care, huh?
Okay, thank you.
Hindi na ngayon kasi nagdadawal-walay na nga.
Ayan, nandito na ako guys sa simbahan. So, mag-isa pa rin. Dito na ako. Dito na ako guys. So, i-stop ko na to kasi ang daming magsisimbang Indian. So, nandito na ako sa simbahan. Bye-bye everyone. Dito na ako sa church. So, I stop na.